Have you ever thought about starting your own business? Now, imagine turning that thought into a reality. Today, we're going to delve into the world of small business startups, emphasizing the significance of meticulous planning and execution. We'll guide you through a clear step-by-step process, demystifying the path from idea to income. We'll shed light on common mistakes to avoid and strategies to ensure success. So, if you've ever dreamed of being your own boss, pay close attention to these steps to starting your own small business. First things first, you need a business concept. It's the seed from which your business will grow. But don't be fooled into thinking any idea will do. Your concept needs to be solid, viable, and most importantly, profitable. How do you ensure this? Market research. It's like a magnifying glass to the business world, showing you what's hot, what's not, and where your idea fits in. And let's not forget passion. It's the fuel that will keep your entrepreneurial engine running when times get tough. So think about what makes you tick, what you love, and how you can transform that into a successful business venture. Remember, a successful business starts with a great idea and thorough market research. Now you've got your idea. The next step is drafting a business plan. But what exactly is a business plan and why is it so crucial? Well, it's essentially a blueprint for your business. It outlines your goals and details how you plan to achieve them. Let's break it down. The executive summary is your business's elevator pitch. It should succinctly encapsulate what your business does and why it will succeed. The company description provides information about what your business does, what differentiates it from others, and the markets your business serves. Then we have the market analysis. This is where you show your knowledge about the industry and the specific market segment you're targeting. Organization and management details your business structure, while product line or service describes what you're selling or what service you're offering. Marketing and sales outlines your strategy for attracting and retaining customers. Finally, financial projections. This is where you provide an outlook for the future of your business, including projected income, expenses, and profitability. A well-thought-out business plan not only helps you get organized, it also increases your chances of securing funding. With your plan in hand, you're ready to tackle the legalities and finances. It's time to step into the realm of business structures. From sole proprietorships to corporations, your choice here will influence your legal responsibilities and tax obligations. So make sure you do your homework to find out which structure suits your business best. Next up, you'll need to register your business. This might involve registering your business name, obtaining a federal tax ID, and getting the necessary permits and licenses. Each of these steps is crucial in making your business official and legal. Don't forget about your employer identification number, or EIN. It's like a social security number for your business, and you'll need it for tax purposes. Understanding your legal requirements is critical. Whether it's zoning laws for your physical location or digital privacy laws for your online store, being on the right side of the law will save you from future headaches. Now, let's talk money. Startup capital is the fuel that gets your business engine running. Whether it's from savings, investors, or loans, you'll need funds to kick off your venture. Budgeting is your financial roadmap. It will guide your spending decisions and keep your finances in check. Remember, managing your finances effectively is not just about making money, but also about keeping costs down and saving for the future. Getting your legalities and finances in order is the foundation for a smooth-running business. Starting a small business may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Remember, we've walked through the essential steps together: shaping your business concept, crafting a detailed plan, and sorting out the legalities and finances. Now, it's your turn to bring your own business idea to life. With careful planning and execution, you can transform your dream into a thriving venture. Dream big, plan carefully, and watch your small business thrive. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Stay tuned for more helpful tips on starting and growing your business.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to share, likes and comment.